Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good and I am also doing great. So friends, in my today's video I'm just going to do a bit of chit chat with you people, and I'm just going to show you a beginner friendly makeup tutorial. Okay, so this tutorial is for everyone who is starting up with doing makeup. Okay, everybody wants to do makeup nowadays and they don't have an idea that what we should put first. Many of them ask me, so I thought that why don't I do a video, like I do a chit chat with you people and I make a makeup tutorial as well, so that it becomes easy for you people to understand. Okay, now this video is going to be a bit lengthy today because I'm going to share some motivational things with you. Today I am planning to talk about self-love, why self-love is important, why you need to love yourself, and I'm going to start up with my makeup that is beginners friendly, what you have to apply first, what you don't have to apply, so just a basic knowledge about makeup. So yeah, let's start with the video, and it's going to be a bit lengthy, so stay tuned and it's going to be very interesting because all of us are staying at home right now and we have lots of time, so I think we can do this much. We can stay together and have a talk and do makeup. So yeah, let's start. And this video is going to be in English, and sometimes I think I can put Hindi words as well, because many of my subscribers, when I am making any vlogs, they say me that please make it in Hindi or in English. So yeah, this video is going to be, most of it is going to be in English. So yeah, let's start with the video. And if you are new to my channel, please, if you love my content, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, let's start up with the makeup. So first of all, you need to apply moisturizer. So nowadays I'm using this moisturizer from Nude, and Nude, they come up with paraben free and sulfate free products, which is very good for your skin. And first of all, I'm just going to moisturize my face. And friends, let's talk about self-love. Nowadays what is happening is, like, the pandemic is there and everybody is at home right now, isn't it? And they have forgotten to take care of themselves, and they think that why we need to take care of ourselves, like we are not going anywhere, we are not going out, and why there is a need for us to take self-care. But I think self-care is very important, and you care about yourself when you love yourself. So it's very important for you people to love yourself first in order to take care of yourself, because we take care of something when we love it, right? So you need to love yourself first, then only I think that feeling of care comes from within. So yeah, I've finished with the moisturizer. So moisturizer is very important if you have dry skin, and if you don't have a dry skin also, don't skip this one, because when you apply moisturizer to your skin, then your makeup will glide very well. So this is the first step. Now second, what I'm going to apply is, you can apply sunscreen. Okay, you can apply sunscreen whenever it is summer. Okay, so the second step is sunscreen, and never skip your sunscreen during the winters as well. Summer is important, but during the winters also don't skip your sunscreen, because it's very, very important to save your skin from the UVA and the UVB rays. So yeah, so this is a very important step. Now let's come to the point, why we need to love ourselves. Yeah, so nowadays people think that they don't love themselves. So now the question is, some people think that why we need to take care of ourselves, why there's a need to get ready. Okay, so this is happens mostly with the married woman, I think so. So this is a video for you so that you get motivated and take care of yourself. So the sunscreen. I have applied the sunscreen. Now the third step is the primer. Okay, so this is very important. Don't skip this if you want your makeup to be very flawless, and if you want your makeup to stay for a longer time. If you apply primer, then your makeup or your foundation is not going to crease. So this is the best thing you can do to make your makeup stay long. So today I'm taking the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and there are different types of primer, like silicone based primer. There are primers which blurs out the pores. There are primers for your redness. Okay, so I'm just going to apply it here where the makeup tends to crease. Okay, so in this way. So yeah, you just need to apply with very soft and don't be harsh. Okay, so yeah, so let it stay for at least 2 minutes before you apply your foundation. So now yeah, why we need to take care. So this happens generally with people who are married, and they think that why I should get makeup, or like why I should get ready, why should I take care of myself, because I'm already married and there is no one to look after me, or there's no one to look at me, I don't have time for myself, blah 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 blah. Okay, but one thing, keep it in your mind that you yourself are important for yourself, and you have to take care. And until unless if you don't take care of yourself, nobody is going to take care of you. So remember that. Okay, so now the third step, what I am going to do is I'm just until my primer is there for 2 minutes, I'm just going to make my eyebrows. So I'm just going to comb my eyebrow hair upwards. Okay, and this pencil is from Innisfree. I think if you're watching me, or if you watch my makeup videos, then you have seen me using this pencil or eyebrow pencil several times, because I'm in love with this pencil. So I'm going to brush my eyebrow hair upwards, and then I am going to fill in the sparse area. So I'm not going to make it very bushy, or I'm not going to make it very intense. I'm just going to fill up the areas only, because I don't want that dramatic eyebrow today. Okay, so we are keeping it beginner friendly. Okay, and love yourself, guys, love yourself. Give time to yourself, pamper yourself, because you also need pampering, and you also need to love yourself, because some people, they forget to love themselves. So yeah, it's not for others. You should never think that why should I get ready for him, or my husband is not there, why to get ready. Okay, I'm not going out, why to take care of my skin. And like most of the times my friends, they ask me that like I have pigmentation problem, and what to do for that. So every time I say them is like, don't let your pigmentation go up to hyperpigmentation, because when it will go till hyperpigmentation, then I think it's very difficult to get rid of that. So every time I suggest them to use a sunscreen when you are inside your house as well. So many of them skip, but every time remember that you have to apply sunscreen when you're inside your house as well. So that is one way of preventing the pigmentation. Okay, and they say that I don't go out, why to apply sunscreen? So you have to take care of your skin when you're inside your house as well. Come on, guys. So now the third step is to like my primer is there for at least 2 minutes. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. And for my foundation today, I'm taking my all-time favorite, that is the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Superstay Foundation. Okay, and it is in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. Okay, so if you are of my shade, then you can certainly go for this. Now I'm just going to take 1 and 2 pumps of it. Okay, I'm not going to take too much of it, so I'm just first now, and then I'm going to apply it over my face. So, and one thing you have to remember with this foundation is it gives you full coverage, but you have to be very quick with the blending, because it will not give you so much of time to play with you. Okay, so you need to be very, very, very quick while blending this, but the coverage is next. I think it's a dupe of Huda Beauty. It gives you a coverage as much as Huda Beauty foundation gives you. So let me apply it over here also. So yeah, so friends, motivate yourself every time, like when you be in front of the mirror, you say to yourself that you're pretty and you deserve everything and you deserve to be beautiful and you're very important to yourself. So in this way you get motivated, and like it's not that you every time you have to get ready when you're going out only. Like if you come to my house, you'll see me like in a week I have to shoot videos, and every time you'll see me in makeup only. But so yeah, I've applied the foundation now, and like last time I had ordered this mineral base powder from Inside, and Inside products, they are also like in so much hyped right now. So I thought of using this as well. As I'm going to take it with my beauty blender only, and I'm just going to I'm not using any setting powder and all, so I'm just using the compact. Okay, we are done. Now we can see my makeup. It's looking flawless. You don't need anything else actually. But now I am going to apply the concealer. The concealer I'm taking is Fit Me concealer. This is from Maybelline and it's in the shade 10 light. Okay, so I'm just going to apply it over here and this way, right? Okay, so this is the right way to apply a concealer. Like makeup, I think it does not have any rules. You can apply it anyway, but I think this is the trending way of applying concealer right now in 2021. Last year it was totally different, so I'm just blending it with my beauty blender. Upwards, go upwards. Now it's done, and so that the concealer does not crease, I'm just going to apply my compact powder one more time. Other days I use a setting powder to set my concealer, but today I think this compact is also very good. You can give a try. It's only for I think 125 rupees and it's very good. Yeah, it's very good. Okay, now I'm going to take a contouring palette. Okay, so this one I had got from one of the Insta store. Okay, and yeah, it's a very good palette, and I'm going to take angle brush like so. So this brush also I got from an Insta store. And to do makeup you don't need high-end products every time. Okay, so that's a myth. So you can just do makeup with affordable products as well. You don't need every time, you don't need high-end products to get your makeup good. So yeah, so we were talking about self-love. So self-love is very important. The only person who can love yourself the most is you yourself. Until and unless you don't love yourself the most, nobody is going to love you. So first love yourself, then you can expect others to love you. If you don't love yourself, then how can you expect others to love you, right? So give time to yourself, pamper your skin, do makeup, do some physical exercise, make yourself fit. Don't think that you are married and the life has come to an end. You cannot do that to yourself. At least I cannot do that with myself. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to apply lipstick, okay, and I'm going to use the lipstick as my blush and as my lipstick as well. So I'm taking this lipstick that is from Lakme Absolute, okay. So this is a very pretty shade. It's in the shade bubble pink. So one tip, what you can do is don't directly apply your lipstick. It'll be very hard for you to blend, so take it in your brush first this way and then dab it. And then you can blend it out. And one secret of having a great finish for your makeup is the blending process, how you blend out your products. So now like when my friends meet me when I was in college, and those friends, when they meet me right now, they say me that, Sanjita, you have not changed a bit also. You are as much as you look as much as you used to before. So there are very minimum changes. And one thing I said to them is, take care of yourself and love yourself and be kind to yourself. You have to be very kind to yourself. Until unless you are not kind with yourself, then nothing is going to help you out, babes. Now I am going to do my eye makeup, okay. I'm going to keep it very subtle, and as this is a beginner's tutorial, I know I am trying out the most affordable products which I have with me. I'm doing my makeup with that, because I think if I start with the affordable products with you, then I think everybody will be able to buy this product. So I'm using this, my favorite, guys. You will never go wrong with this palette, and this is from Swiss Beauty. I have 1 and 2 shades this palette from my Swiss Beauty, okay. So today I'm going to take this, and this is the Ultimate Shadow Palette from Swiss Beauty in the shade 06. It is 06, so I'm going to take this palette, okay, and I am going to take my brush, okay. I'm taking a small brush, okay. This is from Makeup Revolution, and I am going to take this one, this shade over here, very light coral shade, okay. I'm just going to dust off the excess. This is most important, and this was my first eyeshadow palette when I started doing my makeup. So yeah, so in this way I am just going to apply. So what happens is, when you take a brush which is very small blending brush, then it becomes very easy for you to apply it in your crease. So you can just see the difference. So you can directly go to your crease. So if you use more fluffy brush, then you will tend to make your eyeshadow above your crease, and that's not going to look good. So I'm taking this small brush and I'm just going to blend it out. And many of them, like whoever does makeup, they say that you have to hold your eyeshadow brush at the tip, at the end, so that you become very subtle, and you become very soft handed, and it's easy for you to blend the color. But I cannot help out with myself. I just tend to hold it over here, and you can just see I'm blending it out. So here, whoever is watching my video right now, please, this is a request. I know maximum of my subscribers are female ones. I just request you people, please do take care of yourself. Don't die before you actually die. Love yourself and just see the difference. Like when you start loving yourself, when you start caring about yourself, then you'll feel everything good around yourself. Yeah, trust me guys. Like there was one moment when I was also like in the same path, and I had also nearly stopped taking care of myself, and I thought that why should I take care? Like I was also in a situation when I thought that nobody cares about me, why should I care about me? But I think that is the worst thing that you are doing to yourself, when you say that why should I care about myself? And one day, like I was watching, or I was going through Facebook, and I started I actually went through a video, okay, that was a motivational one, and that was, I just, let me take her name also. I think most of you follow her also, like her sister Shivani, okay. And like I heard her words, and I was totally touched, okay. And I thought that, yes, what am I doing to myself? Why should I live for others? You should live for others, but at first you should live for yourself. You should love yourself, isn't it? So yeah, just you can see blending. I have blended my shadow and it's given a very good color. Now I'm not going to do anything much, okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade, okay, a very less amount, and I'm going to apply it in my outer corner. Okay, every time remember that whenever you do your eye makeup, it should be dark over here. The outer corner or the outer V should be always darker, okay, than your crease. Then your eye makeup is going to look very good. So I'm just going to take some more and I'm going to apply it this side. So I thought that, what am I doing to myself? I have to take care. I was not like this, because every time I'm a person who care for myself. You can ask my friends as well, if you know, like there must be many people who know me personally, right? And they know that how much I love myself. I take care. I never like escape of loving myself. I always do make a point, or I always take out time to love myself, because I myself is very important for me. And then if I love myself, then obviously I will be happy, and when I will be happy, then obviously I will be positive, okay. And if I will be positive, then I will be able to deal properly with other people's, and I will be able to love others, right? So that is actually the right formula. And this one is my what to say, Mwah palette. So this is my Boom multifunctional Swiss Beauty palette, and trust me guys, the palettes, these all are my what to say, forever friends in my makeup because these are the palettes which I started using when I had started doing makeup. So I'm going to take this shade pink, and you can use it in multiple ways. I'm taking it with my finger and just going to apply it in the center of my eyes. You can just see the pigment, and you can just see that I did not dip my finger once. I had taken a product once and I used it in both of my eyes. So yeah, it's very simple. Anyone can do this, right? So now last, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to take any kajal, and I used a single brush. I did not take any other brush, okay. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to take this brown shade from this palette. Actually this is a two-sided brush, so one brush you can use it in multiple ways. I'm just taking this one and I'm going to draw a line over here, type of I'm just going to extend the wing a bit. You can just see how beautiful the makeup have turned out. Now I think that you people will start loving yourself, especially girls and ladies who all are watching my channel. Come on, you people do so much of work for others every time you are into your children, you are into your family, you are into your husband. And I did not take any extra product. I'm just going to apply it in my lower lash line as well, and we are done. Like, yeah, one thing I'm saying you people, that every time you invest your time so much in your kids, in your family, your husband. Like I see my mother also, every time she's up to us and she's up to her household things, to her husband, into the society, like so many things, and at last she forgets to take care of herself. And every time I have to say, Mom, give time to yourself also, take care of yourself also, you are also important to yourself. So I don't want that to happen with anyone, any woman. I think that every woman is special and they need to take care of yourself. Okay, so get motivated every time, buy makeup for yourself. And when you are staying inside your house also, who cares, just take out your makeup. Because like, just let me tell you one thing, every time when I get stressed out and or I am not happy with something, one thing which makes me happy is my makeup. Every time when I'm stressed out, I stay in front of the mirror. You will not see me anywhere. I will be in front of the mirror and I do my makeup. And after 15-20 minutes when I finish my makeup, I feel so relaxed and I think that we are so beautiful, and it's really releases my stress, you know. So yeah, it's my therapy. Last, I'm going to take the same shade with I know this is an eyeshadow brush, but I think with this brush, when I apply my highlighter, I get control over it, like way to apply it. You can just see the effect of this highlighter, guys. Very good, and it's so affordable. When an affordable palette can give you such thing, then why to go for high-end products, right? So the remaining, I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to apply it over my brow bone as well. And I did not do any contouring today, nose contouring, and I think this video is going to be a bit lengthy, so I skipped that. So if you want that, you want detailed contouring thing, then you can just comment in the comment section and we will again have this type of chit chat, and again we will start off with the contouring session. So at last, what I'm doing is I'm just going to apply a bit of lipstick, the same lipstick which I'd used as my blusher. And I'm not applying too much. Just a bit of it. And friends, okay, last thing, I nearly forgot mascara. How could I forget that? That is one of my best part in makeup. How did I forget it? So let's apply mascara. So this one is my favorite mascara, and you all know that very well. It is from Maybelline, and Maybelline comes out with really good mascara. So I'm just going to apply my mascara. And like one thing I just want to share with you people is I have one sister, and when I said her that I think you should put on makeup and you should try makeup, you should groom yourself. And what did she say me? You know that she said me that I think when I do makeup, I feel that people look at me, and she's a bit into what is it, chubby family. Okay, she comes into that category. Okay, so chubby category. So she said me that when I do makeup, I think that people think that, oh, look at her, she's so she used the word fat only. Sorry, my intention was not to go with that word in that way. So she said me that I am fat and people might think that, look at her, she's so fat and she's trying to make herself look beautiful. So don't ever think about people. Do what you like and do what you love. People will talk about you when you do good as well. So don't think about them and think about yourself. Try to motivate yourself, try to be positive of yourself. And every time, like when you think that some people think that they are not beautiful or makeup does not suit me, so go in front of the mirror, give at least 1 hour to yourself, get some makeup and look at yourself and say that you are beautiful. And if you do this for 21 days, one of my friends said me that if you do something for 21 days, then after 22 days it's going to be a habit. So do that for 21 days, and after 22 days you will see that you'll be the most beautiful lady in this world for yourself. So yeah, in this way I have completed my makeup. We finished our chit chat also, and I think the video has also gone a bit lengthy today. So please do comment in the comment section, how did you find my today's video? How did you find my, like, this is a new concept which I have taken into my channel. Okay, this is my first video, I'm trying it out. I like how will be the response. Okay, please do comment in the comment section below, how did you find my today's video? If you liked my today's video, don't forget to share your likes, your comments, and please do motivate me in the same way. I will bring such videos for you people. So till next time, it's bye bye. Take care of yourself, motivate yourself. You are important for yourself. Don't ever think of others. Think about yourself first. Love yourself first. If you will love yourself, then you will be able to spread love with others. Okay, and don't forget to be kind with yourself. Pamper yourself, love yourself. Come on guys, this is one life. How can you not love yourself? So with this note, bye bye. Love you all, and meet you in the next video.